Welcome to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we'll look into how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to improve your skills, this guide will walk you through the steps to get started with Mailchimp and make your email campaign successful. Let's get started. Mailchimp is a popular tool that helps businesses send emails to their customers. It's easy to use and offers many features to make email marketing simple and effective. But why is email marketing important? Well, it helps businesses stay in touch with their customers, share updates, promote products, and build strong relationships. This can increase sales and customer loyalty. First, let's set up your Mailchimp account. Go to the Mailchimp website and click on Sign Up Free. Enter your email, username, and password. After you receive a confirmation email, click the link to verify your account. Now you're ready to use Mailchimp. Next, import your contact list. Go to the Audience tab, click Manage Audience, and select Import Contacts. You can upload a file, copy and paste, or import from another service. Just make sure your file is in CSV or TXT format. To make your email marketing more effective, set up list segments. Segments allow you to group contacts based on criteria like location or purchase history. Go to Audience, click Manage Contacts, then Segments, and create your segment. Now, let's explore Mailchimp's dashboard. When you log in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns. On the left side, there's a menu with options like Campaigns, Audience, and Reports. In the Campaign section, you can create, edit, and manage your email campaigns. The Audience section lets you manage your subscribers, and the Reports section shows your campaign performance with metrics like open rates and click rates. Now let's create your first email campaign. Start by picking a template. Mailchimp offers various templates designed for different purposes like newsletters or product promotions. Choose a template that matches your campaign goals. Customize it with your logo, colors, and fonts to fit your brand. Add your content, including a strong subject line, engaging text, and relevant images. Personalize your emails using merge tags for a personal touch. Before sending, use Mailchimp's preview feature to see how your email will look. Check for any errors and make necessary edits to ensure it's polished. When you're ready to send, choose your recipients. Select target segments based on their interests or past interactions with your business. Use Mailchimp's insights to understand your audience and improve future campaigns. Consider the best times to send emails. Early mornings or late afternoons on weekdays are generally good times. Use Mailchimp's analytics to determine when your subscribers are most active. Before hitting send, review your email one last time. Check for typos, ensure all links and images work, and preview the email on different devices. And that's it. Using Mailchimp for email marketing can greatly benefit your business. It simplifies the process and helps you create professional-looking emails. By leveraging Mailchimp's features, you can enhance your email marketing strategy and achieve better results. Thank you for watching Truehost Academy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing. See you next time.